Cover ring system. Never seen it, you gotta check it out. It's pretty awesome.
Here we are again. Why did I bring my 370? Because right there's where all the attention goes. So it wasn't a smooth trip for Johnny this year, and yeah, remember it was here last year on my videos. And what happened?
On the way down?
No, not on the way down here. What happened between last year and this year?
Oh, I blew a hole in the piston.
He blew a hole in the piston. So the motor's not the same as it was, but he rebuilt it again on his channel. I don't know if you've watched it or not. Probably not.
Probably not.
No,
Nobody
but
ever does.
everybody sees it though. They come here, and this is where they go, straight to his car. Look, this is everybody. I'm just here to join all the other Z's where we sit here in shame. And
Glad you could come to my car show with
yeah,
me. Appreciate it.
you're welcome. Alright, I'm headed back for day 2. My car is filthy, but since I ceramic coated it, all this stuff should just come off. And yeah, it's dirty. It's real dirty. So I'm going to hit a car wash on the way to Carlisle, and then it should be a better day because it's not calling for rain until later in the day. It is a little hazy right now, but you can see the roads actually, well, my driveway is actually starting to dry up. I think the roads are dry, so hopefully there's a better turnout because it was kind of dead yesterday, and it was cold. It's cold today, but it was cold yesterday and rained all day. So let's get there, get set up, and then I still didn't ever meet a fan there yet, so maybe there'll be a first today. Well, Johnny, we came when we saw.
Oh, we can take a shit or what?
Yeah, that's great for the video. Thanks. Anyways,
There he is.
it's about to rain, so I think we're gonna bounce out of here. Yeah, you can smell it.
Yeah, I said.
You can smell it. Did he? I can smell it. Oh. Oh. Oh, there he is.
It's like a porta potty.
Why can I smell you from here?